Alright, so I kind of wanted to do, since I had 3 of these different kinds of sodas, I want to do a taste test. Fanta, Crush, and Sunkist. I also kind of want to see if the soda looks different. So let's go ahead and open it up. I don't know about a blind taste test, but sorry, I opened that off camera. The camera's in my way, so... Right, so Sunkist. Alright, let's see what they look like. I'm going to put them behind the glasses right now. Okay, we'll put the glasses up closer. Turn them all facing somewhat the same way. Alright, let's see here. So I'm going to fill them all about the same way. I probably messed it up because I held the can too high on that one. Alright, and then Sunkist. Oh, I spilled it. Might be losing some fizz on them because of that. Let me get a napkin or paper towel and dry it up. Okay. Okay, so color-wise, they actually look like exactly the same, I think. Let me get a little more in here. Okay, let's even them out. Alright, let's see if there's a difference in taste. They look pretty much the same in color. There's light reflecting on the middle one, so it's kind of throwing it off, but here you go. They look almost exactly the same. So now I'm going to taste it and see. Okay. Tastes like Fanta. Tastes like Crush. The Fanta actually has more orange taste, or maybe it's because I drank this already. So let's see. I'm going to have to switch back and forth. Yeah, now I don't taste the orange now. Let me try Fanta again. The Fanta has more of a orange, like it tastes like oranges. Let me see here. Yeah, after tasting that, the Fanta, this doesn't, I don't taste oranges in Crush. Let me... I don't know, after drinking this one tastes like more plain. It's kind of strange. Let's see. And Sunkist tastes even more... Let me smell. It does taste, smell like oranges. Crush has way less smell. And this one maybe smells like tangerines? I might be able to tell which is which just from the smell. I think this has more of an orange smell. This one I can barely, for some reason Crush I can barely smell. Okay. Crush is caffeine free, according, well, I think they're all caffeine free. Sunkist doesn't say. Sunkist doesn't say caffeine free in big words at the top. Yeah, I think I can tell from smell. This has a much stronger like orange smell. This has not much smell, maybe a slight lemon, I don't know. Let's swirl it. I can barely smell anything coming off of this. Yeah, and this one is more like a cutie / lemon, I guess. I'm gonna have my brother come over and then pour different cans in different spots, and then I'm gonna try and guess what's what. But yeah, for now, I have to remember Crush has the least smell, and the flavor's not very orangey. And then Sunkist is kind of, I don't know. It's hard. The flavor's harder to tell than the smell. But orange flavor Fanta definitely wins. Alright, I'm going to drink all of them now. And then I'm going to have my brother come over and then pour them in random cups, and I'll try and guess. And he'll have to reveal. Fanta will probably be the easiest for me to pick out. These two I might have a little trouble. Alright. Let me see what my brother's doing. Again, Crush I think has the least smell. So I'm probably going to guess based on that, and then we'll see. Alright, I'll see you guys in a bit. A customer called and then it stopped the recording. Anyways, apparently I forgot my brother had work today. He has work every other Saturday, and then I forgot he had work this Saturday. So sadly I'm not going to be able to do the blind taste test because I'm going to see exactly what I'm pouring where. But definitely I can tell the difference. Okay, I'm going to pour a little here. I mean, if I'm tasting it back to back, like after I've already smelled and tasted it, then I'm pretty sure I'll be able to guess which is which without seeing it. So it's not like a guessing of which is better. It's more of a guessing of which is which. And I'm going to smell and taste them again. I don't want to, I shouldn't drink all three. That's a lot of soda. But yeah, this one definitely smells more orangey. This one, the Crush has not much smell at all. And Sunkist smells more lemony. Let's see, I'm going to drink it in this order. Yeah, I wouldn't know what to describe this. If I were blind tasting this, I don't know if I would say it was like an orange soda. This is more like lemony orange flavor. And this is more like an actual orange if you're eating like a slice of orange. Alright, now I guess I'll show like the ingredients or something so you can kind of compare them. Let's see if it's even readable from here. No, it's too blurry. I'll hold each can in a bit. Let me finish these. After tasting all of those, I definitely prefer Fanta if I'm looking for orange flavor. This has 100% natural flavors, but that doesn't really mean anything, right? Contains no juice, as you can see. Calories, 160. Man, it's too blurry to read this stuff. Let me see if turning the flash on helps. There you go. It actually helps. Total fat, nothing. Sodium, 55 milligrams. Carbs, 44 milligrams. Alright, 16%. Sugars, 43 grams. That's a lot of sugar. Alright. 43 grams of added sugar. Whoa, why is it? Come on, focus. Focus, camera. There we go. Protein, 0. Okay, there you go. Where's the ingredients here? Oh, man. Here you go. Carbonated water. High fructose corn syrup. Citric acid. Sodium benzoate. Here, you can just read it all yourself. Hopefully you can read it. Natural flavors, starches, phosphates. Alright. Let's compare to the Crush. Also 160 calories. Alright. Let's see if moving it this way helps. Alright, no fat, sodium, 70 milligrams. So here you can see. Actually, let's put all three at the same time. Okay. Let's see, I'll rotate it like that. Maybe that helps. Okay, so they all have no fat, sodium. So in order of sodium, then the Crush has the most sodium. They crushed it in the sodium compartment, department. Alright, carbs, 44, 43, 40, 44. So very similar amount of carbs. Sugars, 43, 43, and 44. So the lemony one has more sugar. Not much, only 1 gram. And protein, everything's the same. So this thing, almost very similar. The only difference, big difference is the sodium. Alright, ingredients. They all start with carbonated water, it looks like, of course. This is kind of, the condensation's making it hard to read. Alright, high fructose corn syrup, citric acid. I think the stuff goes kind of same thing. So the ingredients, I guess they tried to copy each other and went very close to the same. Sunkist actually has caffeine in it, so yeah, the other two don't. But there you go. You can go ahead and read through the ingredients and whatever. But yeah. So Fanta tastes like orange. They actually say orange right on it. Crush, I wouldn't call it orange, but the drink is orange. And then Sunkist is like a lemony orange flavor, in my opinion. Alright, that's my taste test and review of these 3 different orange sodas. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.